All right, next one is, hey guys, can I have a site as lists? Can I have a site as lists with general subjects for multiple reviews from different niches? Can I have a site as lists with general subjects for multiple reviews from different niches?
I see that as directory.
Okay. That with general subjects for multiple reviews. It seems to me like an affiliate site, maybe. Um, like an affiliate site with different products and stuff is the way I'm interpreting it, but you're interpreting it as a like a directory, like a local business directory type site.
Not local business directory, but just a directory style where you have different categories. You can have or do it as you said, affiliate, where you're gonna have multiple products.
Sure.
Yeah, either
Yeah,
way.
yeah, of course you can. That's the power of silo structure, right? You can take a website and compartmentalize sections of the website through silo structure so that you can have multiple topics for one website and it still makes sense and still build authority for that brand and that website. And again, it's if it's done right, if you don't use proper silo structure, then you can kind of dilute the overall theme of the site if you have multiple subjects that really don't make any, they're not relevant or related to each other, then it can dilute the site and cause problems. But if you have really tight silo structure and it's built well, right, you've set up your site correctly, internal linking, category hierarchy, all of that correctly, then you can have multiple categories on a site and still do very, very well with it, because again, you're just building the entity up throughout all of that. So it's certainly possible. Typically, you know, a lot of times we try to keep things more relevant to a particular theme per site, but that doesn't have to be that way, right? So yes, you can have a site that's general subjects with multiple reviews from different niches. Just make sure that you have your structure correct. Number two is, say I have a press release from site 1 to Money Site, and I want to make another press release from site 2. Can I link to both of the sites, Money Site and site 1? I'm not really understanding that question.
Yeah, he lost me too.
I lost that one for sure. If you can clarify that, not only that, but there's 3 questions in a row. So if you can clarify that one later, I'll get to it if we have time. Last one is number 3. What is the best way and fastest to be profitable? Say $1,000 a month without clients. That includes no lead gen, no agency. Affiliate. You know, find a good. The only thing I could think of would be to find a good. You know, affiliate offer out there that, and then just especially launch jacking. Launch jacking is a good way to do that. It's a lot of work, but you can, especially for higher ticket products, you can do, you know, that pay, let's say it's a $3,000 product and it pays 30% commission. That's $1,000, right? So you only need to sell one. And there are products out there like that. So if you can understand how to launch jack, which, you know, and find products that would have a good payout, a good affiliate payout, you can do that. I don't know. I typically just, my fallback's always been clients, right? Clients and lead gen stuff. If I need $1,000 a month, I want to go land a client that's going to pay me $1,500 a month, and I'm going to pay a VA and MGYB $500 a month to fulfill the services, and I'm going to manage it and keep $1,000 a month. That's how I'm
gonna pitch Damon Nelson, RSS Masher technology.
There you go.
He has made it really simple for you then to run, you know, AdSense, media.net, or it doesn't have to be the 2 main networks, right? The display ad network. There's others that you can profit from, and you can usually run 2. So I would say start using the RSS Masher technology tool. Find the niches that now this is where it's really important to work on the things that you like. Yes. Or things that you know, because you know you're going to, if you like it, then you're going to know that people like you are also going to like it. Irrational passions are a good one. Remember that, with people who collect unicorns and that type of thing. Hobby trains is another one. I don't know. It just, the list goes on and on and on, where you don't understand what people see in this kind of thing, but you shouldn't care. Why? People are paying for it. That means you have an ability to make money if you go into that niche, and you start producing the content. Once it's set up, it's on auto. And each site might, I don't know, it might start making 20, 30, 40, 50 bucks a month. Build 20, if it's making you 50, build 20 of them, that's $1,000. Dead simple.
Yeah. And just guys, this is some gold here, because I'm in the real estate industry now again, the investment industry. Let me tell you something. For affiliate stuff, if you want to get into some high ticket, high payout stuff, get into promoting real estate investor education, like courses for people that want to learn how to flip houses and that kind of stuff. I'm telling you, because those courses are typically $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 a piece. And and people in the real estate investment business will spend money on those training courses and events and things like that. Hand over fist, they're spending money and on training products for how to be better investors. And I'm telling you that is a huge, huge market. There's a lot of money in that market as an affiliate too. And trust me, guys, there's a lot of money in that market. That's something I'm in the real estate business again, and I love it. And I'm spending a shit ton of my own money on it. That's how I know that to be true. And it's almost like an irrational passion. People that are in that business spend a lot of money on education. So that's a great thing that you can get involved in if you're into that. So.